So in this video, I'm going to be sketching y equals 1 over x, take away 3. So let's draw some axes. Okay. So once again, just like we had with the previous video, we have this 1 over x, and so there is a value of x that we cannot substitute into that, and that's x is 0. If we do, then we're dividing by 0. So when x is 0, we have a vertical asymptote. So let's put that in first. So we do that with a dashed line. That's on the y-axis. Okay. Now in the previous video we looked at adding 2 to all of the y coordinates. We had plus 2. This time we've got take away 3. So we're taking 3 away from each of the y coordinates, and so that drops the graph down. It translates it downwards, and a horizontal asymptote, which the original graph has at y equals 0, will translate downwards with it. So there will be a horizontal asymptote at y equals -3. So we know what the original graph looked like. We had a bit there, we had a bit there. Okay, that's been translated downwards, and so my curve must do something like this. So it must tend towards both asymptotes, and there is an interesting point here where it crosses the x-axis. Now that's when y is 0. So if I substitute in y is 0 and solve this equation, we can add 3 to both sides. We can multiply both sides by x, and we could divide both sides by 3. And so it passes through the x-axis at 1/3. And there's my sketch.